in the strategic segments that I primarily deal with, I've been relatively successful introducing sort of a value workshop in the very upfront stages of the sales process around having these conversations around, what are your priorities? What are the outcomes you're trying to achieve? What are the use cases that are most important to you? What can you achieve today versus, in the future? And then being able to quantify what that benefit potentially is going to be based on those references. And then using some of the ecosystems platform, how do we take that knowledge that we've engaged within the sales cycle, and then how do we then transition that into delivery motion, and then be able to capture and track and record success post-sale as well. But without some of those mechanics in terms of those data elements that are consistently applied across the pre-sales engagement, the delivery motion, and the post-sales motion, it's very difficult in terms of to be able to drive that level of scale, because you've got a whole bunch of people talking about outcomes in a very different way.